This really is an amazing tool, the Bosch PSA900E Sabre saw, also called a reciprocating saw. The blades are interchanged safely and easily with the SDS system, and it really only takes a few seconds to change with no additional tools required. The blade lengths can range up to 200mm for this machine, depending on the material to be cut. You must use the correct blade type and tooth configuration to suit the cutting task at hand. This machine is intended for sawing wood, tree branches, plastic, metal, and other building materials. It is suitable for straight cuts, curved cuts, flush cuts, part cuts, and can even do plunge cuts into material. When using the appropriate bimetal saw blades, it's possible to cut through timber and metal in one pass. The saw can accommodate either blade up or blade down, depending on the intended use. The saw weighs in at 3.7 kilograms, but the comfortable anti-slip rubberized grip at the front and the back provides great support, control, and low vibration through to the user, being you. This really is a great versatile tool, and once you start using it, you'll find many more uses as you go. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. We'd love to see your feedback. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews as well as DIY projects.